After a year of silence, the rumble is back. The 5.7-liter Hemi V8 that Ram controversially dropped from the last year's lineup has made its triumphant return for 2026, and truck enthusiasts everywhere are celebrating because the biggest injustice has been fixed. The all-new V8 engine for the 2026 Ram 1500 made me cry tears of joy, so make sure to stay and check it out. The legend is back. Let's cut straight to what everyone's been waiting for, the return of America's most beloved truck engine. Ram CEO Tim Kuniskis didn't mince words when he admitted the company made a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes, but how you handled it defines you. Ram screwed up when we dropped the Hemi. We own it, and we fixed it. The 5.7-liter Hemi V8 returns with the exact same specifications that made it legendary. We're talking about 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque delivered through that unmistakable Hemi growl that no turbocharged engine can replicate. The engine still features Ram's e-torque mild hybrid system, which adds up to 130 pound-feet of additional torque during initial throttle tip-in, making acceleration smoother and more responsive than ever. But here's where things get interesting and expensive. The Hemi isn't coming back as a budget option. On base trims like the Tradesman, Express, Warlock, and Bighorn, you'll pay a hefty $2,895 over the standard Pentastar V6. That's $1,200 more than the standard output Hurricane i6, which ironically produces more power at 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque. Moving up the trim ladder, the pricing strategy shifts dramatically. On the Laramie and Rebel trims, which come standard with the SO Hurricane, the Hemi upgrade costs $1,200. But here's the sweet spot. On the Limited and Longhorn trims, the Hemi V8 is offered at no additional cost, making these high-end trims incredibly attractive for traditionalists who want that authentic V8 experience. What you get for that Hemi Premium is more than just the engine. The package includes a 33-gallon fuel tank, normally an expensive option on other powertrains, and Ram's GT exhaust system that lets that Hemi sing properly. The towing capacity remains impressive at 11,470 pounds, just 110 pounds less than the maximum Hurricane configuration. Each Hemi-powered 2026 Ram 1500 will wear a special symbol of protest badge created by Ram's design team, featuring the Ram's head pushing forward, powered by a Hemi V8 block. It's Ram's way of acknowledging they listened to their customers and brought back what matters most. Ram 1500 Express, cheap but loaded. While the Hemi grabs headlines, Ram's quietly launched what might be the best value proposition in the full-size truck segment. The new Express trim starts at $44,495, positioning itself as the entry point to Ram's refined truck experience. Unlike the stripped-down work trucks from Ford and Chevrolet, the Ram 1500 Express doesn't feel like a penalty box. You get the same refreshed 1500 body style as more expensive trims, painted front and rear bumpers that match your chosen color, and 20-inch wheels that give the truck a premium appearance right from the factory. The standard equipment list reads like a mid-level trim from just a few years ago. Adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and LED headlights come standard. The base Pentastar 3.6-liter V6 produces 305 horsepower, but for just $1,695 extra, you can upgrade to the twin-turbo Hurricane 3-liter i6 with 420 horsepower. An incredible performance bargain. That's not all. Four-wheel drive models can add the Black Express package for $995, which includes a sport hood, black badging, black wheels, side steps, LED fog lights, and upgraded interior with black cloth bucket seats and a 7-inch gauge cluster. Even fully loaded with the Hurricane engine and black package, you're looking at under $55,000. Now that's a really good deal. Interior design gold standard. Step inside any 2026 Ram 1500 and you'll immediately understand why it's considered the luxury leader among domestic pickups. The interior design philosophy centers on premium materials, intuitive technology integration, and over 50 inches of combined digital display screens, more than any competitor offers. The crown jewel is the available 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment display, which can be paired with a 10.25-inch front passenger screen, a class exclusive feature that lets your passenger control navigation and entertainment independently. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable information displays that adapt to your driving needs. Material quality sets the Ram apart from Ford and Chevrolet competitors. Even base Express models feature soft-touch surfaces where your hands naturally rest, while higher trims showcase genuine leather, real wood accents, and aluminum trim pieces that feel substantial and expensive. The tungsten trim takes luxury to extreme levels with quilted leather upholstery, 24-way adjustable massage seats, and a 23-speaker Klipsch audio system that transforms the cab into a rolling concert hall. Functionality hasn't been cab sacrificed for style. The split-folding tailgate remains standard, interior storage solutions are abundant, and the crew cab offers class-leading rear seat space for adult passengers. The available Rambox cargo management system provides lockable, weatherproof storage in the bed rails, perfect for tools, gear, or valuables. With all this in mind, it's no surprise that most experts call it the most complete truck on the market when it comes to the cabin design. Rebel is getting V8 too. The off-road-focused Rebel trim will soon join the Hemi party, though Ram hasn't announced the exact timing. Currently, the Rebel comes standard with the 420 horsepower standard output Hurricane i6, which provides excellent off-road performance with its broad torque curve and instant turbo response. Ram's current engine lineup spans from practical to powerful. The base Pentastar 3.6-liter V6 with e-torque produces 305 horsepower and delivers solid fuel economy for fleet buyers and budget-conscious consumers. The standard output Hurricane i6 bumps power to 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque, providing the sweet spot of performance and efficiency. At the top sits the high-output Hurricane R6 with 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque, currently exclusive to limited Longhorn RHO and tungsten trims. This engine transforms the Ram 1500 into a legitimate performance truck capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour runs in the mid 4-second range while maintaining impressive towing capacity. When the Hemi becomes available on Rebel models, it will offer that authentic V8 character that many off-road enthusiasts prefer. The engine's naturally aspirated response and linear power delivery complement the Rebel's serious off-road hardware, which includes upgraded suspension, skid plates, all-terrain tires, and multiple terrain modes. Extended warranty, check. Ram is backing up its 2026 models with industry-leading warranty coverage that should ease concerns about long-term reliability. The new 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty represents a massive leap from the previous 5-year, 60,000-mile coverage. This extended warranty covers all the major drivetrain components: engine, transmission, transfer case, drive shafts, differentials, and axles. The coverage applies to original owners only and cannot be transferred, but it covers both individual buyers and businesses, whether purchasing or leasing. Ram CEO Tim Kuniskis explained the reasoning behind this aggressive warranty. The average age of a vehicle is up 30% to 12.6 years. 4 out of 5 truck buyers finance their vehicle for 5 or more years and then keep them another 5 or 7 years. This warranty acknowledges how customers actually use their trucks and provides peace of mind for the full ownership experience. The extended warranty applies to the entire 2026 Ram lineup, including 1500, 2500, 3500 chassis cab models and ProMaster vans. Even the performance-oriented RHO and Power Wagon models are covered, demonstrating Ram's confidence in their powertrain reliability across all applications. 2026 Ram 1500 already at dealer lots. The wait is officially over. 2026 Ram 1500 pickups are rolling into dealerships nationwide. Current inventory includes Pentastar V6 and Hurricane i6 models, with full production ramping up at Sterling Heights Assembly Plant in Michigan. Hemi-powered models will begin full production in August according to leaked production schedules. Dealers have already submitted over 10,000 orders for Hemi-equipped trucks within the first 24 hours of ordering availability, proving the pent-up demand for authentic V8 power. Base tradesman pricing starts at $42,370, representing a $2,095 increase over 2025 models. The value-oriented express trim starts at $44,495, while range-topping tungsten models reach $89,170 when fully loaded. The Hemi upgrade pricing varies by trim, from the $2,895 premium on base models to no-cost availability on limited and Longhorn trims. Early reports suggest strong sales momentum, with Ram moving 14,352 units in June alone, a 41% increase over the previous year. New incentive programs are reportedly coming for 2026 models, including stackable APR offers that could significantly reduce financing costs for qualified buyers. The 2026 Ram 1500 represents more than just the return of the Hemi. It's Ram's comprehensive response to customer feedback and market demands. With competitive pricing, industry-leading warranty coverage, and powertrain options for every preference, the 2026 Ram 1500 is positioned to reclaim its place as America's most desirable full-size pickup truck. Will the comeback of Hemi V8 be enough to boost sales in the long run? It's still uncertain. Check out this video about the all-new 2026 Chevy Silverado bringing its next-generation V8 engine. GM is developing a completely new version of the legendary small block V8, which will bring revolutionary improvements, both in performance and fuel economy.